The Executive Committee of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council on Thursday afternoon informed that the Governor of Meghalaya, C.H. Vijay Shankar, has approved 6 bills passed by the Council in the last few years. KHADC CEM Panyat Singh Saim informed that approved bills like the Cut Administration of Ilaka Second Amendment Bill 2023 would empower women and youth to participate in the Dorbar Shnong. The other bills include the Khasi Social Custom of Lineage Amendment Bill 2023, the Card Trading by Non-Tribal Amendment Rules 2023, the Card Regulation and Administration of Land Rules 2023, the United Khasi Jaintia Hills District Fisheries Amendment Bill 2023, and the nomination and election of the Lingdo Minister Lingdo Raj Soyong Lingdoship Bill 2023.
Literally ki bills but ki rules ki bahana kalian kaki HPC dang shen nila dap ban menjur tak yang badan buram but dokumen ban pentip bah nakalian ka office jong ulat ke jela governor jungi la dap ban menjur ya kini but la penlong an but shen ngin sa pha ya pi ki copy jong kini ki notification kabla mi kum ki gazette.
Social Welfare Minister Paul Lingdo